now the squares in our project. So we'll go back to now we'll go to our main view.h, and we have to create an instance of our UI image view. UI image view asterisk, not a capital M, and we'll call it square view. Now we have to do its property. You can just go back to the other .h file and copy the property line. I'll just type it in real quick. Retain UI image view and square view. Okay. Now in our main view.m, under the implementation, we have to synthesize square view. Don't forget to do that. You'll get an error if you won't, and you won't understand why. And now in the initialization bracket code right here, in it with frame, where we did the background color thing before, now we're going to create a temporary image view. Image view, we'll call it just image view. I guess that's simplest. Equals double bracket UI image view alloc for allocate, in it with frame cg rect make to make a frame with parenthesis, and now you have your four floats. The first two are x and y coordinates. I'm just going to show you 0, 0, 0, 0 for now, and then your width and height are the last two. So we'll do 100 by 100 will be the dimensions of our image. In parentheses, close the brackets and add a semicolon. Now our image view.image, working with the image property, will equal a UI image named, and we named our square.jpg. Since we added to our project, that's all we have to type. It'll find it no matter where it is in the project. And now self.squareView is going to equal that temporary image view we just made. I don't know why we do it like this. It's just better for memory management. And now we could release that temporary image view. So image view release. We don't need that anymore. And now we have to add square view as a subview of our main view. So we're going to do self, because we're in the main view file, so it's just self in a bracket. Add subview. Square view, sorry, square view, bracket. Okay, now in our deallocate method, we'll just square view release for memory management. Now we're just going to build the project real quick and make sure we have no errors. If there are, I will fix them, don't worry. Okay, successful. And there are no errors, and here's our image. As you can see, like I said, it is at the coordinate 0, 0, which is the top left pixel of the iPhone. We don't want it there. We want it in the center of our interface, because that just looks better. So we'll go back to the coding. We'll do, before we make it square view, we'll do image view dot center. The center location equals self, which is the main view, dot center. And now when we build our project, picture should be in the center. And it is. Now it's in the center. But you know, we click on it, we move it around, nothing happens. It's just there. Now we need to implement the touching into our project. So what I do, because I don't like to memorize a lot of stuff, I just go to the documentation and type in touches, and you will find this touches moved with event method. Just copy and paste it. This is the method that handles when you're touching the screen and moving your finger. And then just add some curly brackets here. Now we have to create an instance of our touch. UI touch star, we'll just call it touch. I guess that's simplest. Equals event all touches. So we gotta recognize all touches. I forgot a bracket here. Of any object. So all touches on the iPhone that touch any object will become touch over over here. Now we have to say if, in parentheses and brackets, the touch view, which is the view of the touch, which is where you touch the screen, equals the square view, which is our image view that contains the square image, more curly brackets, don't forget them, you'll get an error. We're going to do CG point location, just creating a point variable, location equals touch location in view of the main view, which is self. Self. Okie dokie. Now location is the coordinate of the touch. Now we gotta just say square view dot center equals location, which is the coordinates of the touch. So as the touch moves, the center of the image view is going to move along with it. And just add a return here, just so we don't get an error. That should be it. If we build and go, we should be able to move the image now. There's no errors. Okay, here's our image. We can click, and now when we drag, the picture moves along with our finger, which is perfect. That's exactly what we wanted. That was all for this tutorial. If you want to do more in-depth things with touches, just leave me a message in the forums. My name is Nitrex88. You can find me on the forums. Just leave suggestions. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Sorry that I didn't go through like each line of coding in depth. You know, I don't have much time, and I don't even understand all of it myself. I just know a little bit of what I'm doing, and I'm trying to help out those who don't know anything at all. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.